It was a rainy Saturday afternoon, and I had planned to stay in and catch up on some reading. But halfway through my book, I realized I was out of coffee, which for me is a small disaster on a quiet day. Reluctantly, I grabbed my umbrella and walked to the small cafe around the corner. The rain was steady, but not too heavy, so I didn't mind. There was something calming about the sound of raindrops hitting the pavement. When I got to the cafe, it was almost empty. Just a few people sitting by the window, lost in their own thoughts. I ordered a cappuccino and found a seat near the glass. I watched people rush by outside, umbrellas bumping into each other, cars splashing puddles onto the sidewalk. I sat there for nearly an hour, sipping my coffee slowly, listening to the soft music playing inside. For a moment, I felt completely disconnected from the usual noise of the week. No notifications, no rush, just time to breathe. On my way out, I bumped into an old neighbor I hadn't seen in years. We stood under the cafe awning, catching up about life, work, and family. It was unexpected but comforting, a reminder that sometimes small, ordinary moments can make a rainy day feel warm. When I got home, I put the kettle on for tea and picked up my book again, feeling just a little lighter than before.